Hello friends, uh, we are going to discuss the points group first elements, and uh, these elements are identified by using the spot test methods. First element is the mercury, okay, and this mercury is identified or confirmatory or spot test, or it's also known as the confirmatory test. Uh, a one place a drop of the friendly acid test solution or original solution on a drop on the paper and add the saturated drop of saturated potassium nitrate, that is KNO3, KNO2 sodium nitrate, and to get the black PPT of silver is produced. It is the black PPT of mercury. That is okay. The second, the first test, one drop of the acidic solution of mercury on a paper, and then add a saturated potassium nitrate solution, and to get the black PPT of mercury. This is the first identification of spot test method, and second is the 1 ml of the solution, then add 1 ml solution, then add the dilute potassium chromate K2CrO4, K2CrO4 potassium chromate solution, and heat to get the brown precipitate of, or to changing the color, that is the red color, brown and to red color of Ag2CrO4, Ag2CrO4, it is red color, brown to red precipitate of mercurous chromate on heating. This is on heating. Yeah, this is the confirmatory test for the mercurous. Okay, these are the two tests. One is the potassium nitrate, saturated potassium nitrate. You have to use for the identification of mercury. And second confirmatory test is the 1 ml solution of mercury. So mercury, and then add the dilute potassium chromate solution. You get the precipitate of mercurous chromate, and this mercury chromate on heating. This is the brown color in cold conditions, and then on heating, to change the color of the mercurous chromate from brown to red precipitate of mercurous chromate. This is the confirmatory test for the or identification of or spot test for the uh, mercury. The second element is silver. Silver. Here, the silver is identified by using place a drop of the test solution in on a glass or on a paper. Then add a drop of ammonium carbonate solution and mix. And to withdraw the drop of clear liquid from the mixture, and place it on a drop reaction on a paper. Then add potassium chromate. That is means again this solution, 1 ml solution, then add the ammonium carbonate NH4 twice CO3, then add uh, K2CrO4, K2CrO4, to get the Ag2CrO4 is brown or red. Brown precipitate. This is confirmatory test for the again this silver hydride is dissolved in acid solution and then neutralize this precipitate AgI is redissolved in acids like nitric acid to form a silver nitrate, that is iodine is liberated, and this acidic solution, this is the acidic solution, and therefore to neutralize the ammonium carbonate again by using the precipitate or confirmatory reagent is potassium chromate to get the silver as a chromate. Okay. Next, the confirmatory test for the Pb lead. Lead is precipitated. This is the to dissolve in ammonium acetate solution, that is ammoniacal solution in acetic acid, and the tests are the 1 ml solution plus the solution contains lead, and add acetic acid and acidic medium, acetic acid, then K2CrO4, potassium chromate to get the precipitate of PbCrO4. This is the yellow PPT of the yellow precipitate of lead is formed. This is the chromate K2CrO4 in acidic medium to get the precipitate of PbCrO4. Okay. Then again the second is lead. The 1 ml of solution potassium iodide Ki is used. Okay, potassium iodide is used, and boil and cool. You get the yellow precipitate of the PbI2. Yes. But if the excess of Ki is used, again this precipitate is again redissolved. Okay. The third test is used for the identification of it is by using the H2S to form PbS. This is the black PPT. These are the three methods for the identification of the lead. For the one is the potassium chromate is the precipitating reagent, Ki is the also used as a precipitating reagent, and H2S. Okay, these are the three methods are used for the identification of lead. Okay, and next point, the thallium. For the analysis of thallium is lead thallium plus is add dilute ammonia solution, add dilute NH3 solution, okay, to boil the excess of ammonia solution, okay, and cool the this solution. Then test 1 ml of the solution in acidic medium. Again, this is the boil the solution, and this solution is used for the identification of thallium. Okay, it is in acetic acid, use acetic acid and K2CrO4, and to get the precipitate of thallium CrO4. This is the precipitate of thallium. Same, the second test is used for the thallus or thallium. Is one, let's say 1 drop of the solution on a filter paper, Whatman filter paper, and then add 1 drop of sodium thiosulfate Na2H2O3, then add drop of potassium iodide solution on the filter paper, and to get the, this is second test is the use sodium Na2H2O3, okay, sodium thiosulfate solution, then add Ki potassium iodide solution. This is on the filter paper, and you get the precipitate of yellow PPT of thallium. Okay, these are the confirmatory or spot test used for the mercury, silver, lead, and thallium. Okay, this is the very simple methods for the or to remember the what type of the confirmatory test, which type of reagent is used for the mercury, silver, lead, and thallium. You remember this. Okay, thank you.